when you're thinking about reference ecosystems, you need to think about what is actually your reference ecosystem. Up on the tundra, where I am here, there's all sorts of different species that are, and a different level of diversity that's going on here. But when you're looking at a reference ecosystem, what is it that you're looking for? We're not always looking for gigantic trees and then that's your reference ecosystem. The side of a mountain, the trees are shorter. In the tundra, everything is completely short. And so just thinking about what is a reference ecosystem. Unfortunately, there's a disease that's come into this area, again, one of our human impacts, and it's killed off that beech tree. So now we're switching to British Columbia, and here you can see the huge trees that are part of that ecosystem, but also you can see that there's a lot of smaller trees mixed in with that. So as one of these big trees falls down, then it opens up habitat for other species to occur. So it has that natural disturbance mosaic. It has tons of species in the understory. So all these different canopy layers have been filled in, and there's a huge diversity of different species and lots of moss and lichens on these trees. You can see here all the growing along the side of the tree. And then you can see like there's even two different species growing side by side with each other. And it's just a beautiful ecosystem, but it's also, I'm walking on a trail. And so in one aspect, you're trying to minimize the amount of disturbance that happens out here. So you don't want people wandering off the trail. You do want people out there being able to appreciate these ecosystems, because if people can't appreciate the ecosystems and don't have a connection and understand the beauty and the magic of these different ecosystems, then they're not going to help protect them.